If you've been struggling to find a meaningful gift for your parents, the kind who already seem to have everything, this will change how you think about what they truly treasure. Most gifts get used once or quietly tucked away, but there is one kind of gift that becomes the heart of their home, a daily reminder of who they are and what they've built. After 13 years of creating heirloom portraits and watching families experience this moment, I've seen exactly what makes parents feel deeply honored. And what I'm about to share will change how you think about gift giving forever. Point 1. Why traditional gifts leave parents feeling forgotten. I see this all the time. Adult children come to me feeling stuck. They've tried everything, the latest gadgets, beautiful trips, useful things for their house, and their parents are polite. They're grateful, but something is missing. Here's what I've learned after working with thousands of families. Your parents don't want more things. They've spent a lifetime collecting stuff. What they want now is to feel seen for who they are and for the family that they've created. They want to feel that their role as the foundation of your family matters. When you give a gift that honors their legacy instead of filling a shelf, you're telling them something powerful, that their greatest achievement isn't what they own, it's the love they've built. That kind of recognition touches the heart in a way nothing material ever could. Point 2. Why heirloom portraits become priceless. There's something beautiful that happens with these portraits that people never expect. Every other gift you've ever given your parents, jewelry, electronics, even home upgrades, eventually fades, breaks, or blends into the background. But a professionally created family portrait does the opposite. It becomes more meaningful with time. I've had families tell me that years later, their portrait is the most treasured thing in their home. Not because it's beautiful, but because of what it represents. When your parents look at this portrait, they don't just see a photo. They see the family they built, the love they gave, their place as the heart of something lasting. And as they grow older, that validation becomes more precious than anything money can ever buy. If you've ever been searching for a gift that truly honors your parents and shows them how much their love and sacrifice mean to your family, you don't have to settle for something that they'll end up storing away. After 13 years of creating these portraits and watching families give this gift, I've seen how it becomes something parents treasure every single day. If you're ready to give your parents a gift that celebrates their legacy and grows more meaningful with time, there's a special opportunity available now. You can learn more in the link below. Point 3. Why the experience matters just as much. The magic doesn't just happen when they see the final portrait. It begins the moment they walk into the studio. Everything is designed to make your parents feel deeply valued, because to your family and me, they truly are. I watched parents completely evolve during these sessions. They start seeing themselves through the eyes of the people whose lives they shaped. For many of them, it's been years since they felt truly celebrated just for being who they are, not for what they do, not for what they provide, but for the love they've given and the family they've built. That feeling of being truly seen becomes just as cherished as the portraits itself. If you've been looking for a way to show your parents how much they mean to you, this is how you do it. After 13 years of creating these portraits, I can tell you that there is no gift that touches a parent's heart quite like this. If you're ready to give them something they'll treasure every day, there's a special opportunity waiting for you in the link below. And if this helped you think differently about honoring your parents, make sure to subscribe. I share everything I've learned about creating meaningful family portraits and preserving what matters most. Your parents gave you a lifetime of love. This is how you give it back.